See this? They are asking us to solve this equation. So there is no equation actually. The equation is in such a way that determinant is containing the variables there. We are supposed to find out the value of x in such a way that value of this determinant is 0. So one simple and easy way is, as I said, you can substitute the value of x there, and since it is given as 0, you can easily see if this determinant is 0 or not, which means from the options you can pick out one of the each value of x, substitute there and see for which value of x the determinant is going to be becoming 0, right? Otherwise this is the procedure. So if you are trying to solve it, it is the procedure. Now if you see this these two columns, the difference is actually 1, which means here it is 11, here it is 10, 17, 16, 14, 13. Therefore you could directly take this one column and subtract it from the other one, and you can write the result there. So I am taking column 3, subtracting it from column 2, and I am replacing it in the place of column 2. Here I got all ones, okay? And then since most of the values here are ones, you can make them zeros. So how can we do this? Take one row, let us say row 1, and you subtract it from row 2. So from this one you subtract this one, and similarly subtract row 1 from row 3. So we get 0 here and 0 here, we get 2 zeros here, right? Then I got this one. Now we can expand the determinant across the column. So across this column we can expand the determinant. If you try to expand it, one more thing, see, when you are trying to expand it across this column, these two values are zeros, therefore you need not worry about the cofactors here, but then you have to take the cofactor of this. When you are taking the cofactor of this, don't forget to multiply with minus 1 power indices. So what is minus 1 power? So what is the index of this? First row, second column, 1 comma 2. Minus 1 power 1 plus 2 is the symbol, and then you have to delete this row and column, and you have to take these 4 elements determinants. So it is going to be minus 1 into determinant of these 4 values. Determinant of these 4 values into minus 1 equal to 0. So once you solve it, you get that x equal to 6. So in the reverse manner, from the options you can see that x equal to 6 is there, and maybe you can substitute x equal to 6 here, okay, and then you can check this, right? And if you check that, then also you will get the answer, okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.